friends, welcome to Betty's Kitchen. Today we are making pav bhaji. In pav bhaji, I have like 250 grams of cauliflower, 2 medium potatoes, 1 carrot, and like half cup of peas, and also like couple tablespoon of the green bell pepper. So I have boiled everything. I add little bit salt and yes, 3 tomatoes. So I boil everything and I have this one here so we don't waste our time much. So now we have also other ingredients: 1 medium onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 tablespoon of red chili powder, half of the pav bhaji powder, pav bhaji masalas, and this one is like quarter of the fenugreek leaves, and also half of the cumin seed, and garnish for the pav bhaji, and also this is butter. So let's start now. And you know that pav bhaji is all of us our very favorite, right? All the time we like to eat. And first I have add oil, then we will add butter, because otherwise butter get burn, and I have kept very low heat. So at this point we will add our onion. And you know that we don't have to cook like like what we are cooking in our all sabjis, veggies or meat. So we will just add at this point other dry ingredients. So now we will add our cumin seed. When this all spice is getting roasted, it's smelling very good, right? It's great aromas. So now we will add our other ingredients. So in order to cook our onion, I will add just a tablespoon of water. So friends, you can see that now at this point we will add our bhaji, and you can see that bhaji boil very good. And I am not preferring to add any food color or anything, because I don't like much color. So at this point I'm adding little bit of water to make it little bit good consistency, and I will let it cook probably couple of minutes, because that our bhaji is already enough cook. So we will let it cook couple of minutes with a medium heat. So friends, now we will do tempering for this pav bhaji. So I will add butter a little bit in it and add a small amount of red chilies. Okay, so now at this point what I will do, I will put my bhaji in it. You can see that bhaji has really good consistency what we needed. So I will put it in the serving bowl, and at this point I will put our now I will turn off bhaji, and also now we will just do little bit of pav and friends, now you can see that our pav bhaji is ready, and also pav with that's we call it dinner roll, and also lemon and some onion that goes with the pav bhaji. So it's really tasty, and I really like it, and especially the veggies what I have chose, that is all my favorite veggies. And please try this recipe, you will really enjoy that. If you have any question, comment, please leave it to my comment box, and I really love to chat with you. And I'll be back again with another simple recipes. Until then, have a blessed day.